Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super useful topic. How to check your purchasing power on Affirm, full guide, for 2025. If you're shopping smart and using buy now pay later services like Affirm, knowing your purchasing power can help you make confident decisions without overspending. Affirm is that handy app that lets you split payments for big purchases, but first, you need to see how much you can actually afford. Stick around, and I'll walk you through it step by step. It's easier than you think. First things first, make sure you have the Affirm app downloaded on your phone or access it via their website. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and sign up, it's quick and free. Once you're logged in, head to the dashboard. That's your home base where all the magic happens. Look for the Purchasing Power, or Eligibility, section. It's usually right at the top or in a menu labeled My Account. Now, here's where it gets exciting. Affirm uses your credit information to estimate how much you can borrow, so they might ask you to verify some details like your income or existing loans. Don't worry, it's all secure. Just follow the prompts to enter any required info. Once that's done, hit the Check Now button, and voila! You'll see your purchasing power displayed, showing the maximum amount you can spend and possible monthly payments. A quick tip for 2025. Affirm has updated their app with AI-driven estimates, so your purchasing power might refresh in real time based on your spending habits. Always double check for any promotions or limits that could affect your amount. And remember, this isn't a guarantee, it's just an estimate to guide your shopping. There you have it, folks. By following these steps, you'll be a pro at checking your Affirm purchasing power in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay smart with your money, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.